Hey everyone, this is Wicked Cushions and today I'm going to show you how to apply a Beats Sutdio skin. This skin is compatible with Beats by Dre Sutdio Wired, Wireless, Beats Sutdio 2 and Sutdio 3. The first step will be to clean the surface of your headphones. Simply grab a wet wipe and clean the surface. In this video I'm using Cottonelle. After the wet wipe, finish it off with a dry wipe. In this video, I will be using our own black camo Wicked Cushion skin. On the skin paper, you will see markings showing you which side is for the left and which side is for the right. We will start from the left side installing the headband strip. Simply align it the best you can above the metal notch as I show and slowly attach it to the headband. If you encounter some air bubbles while installing, that is okay. You can gently remove them by rubbing them out of the surface. If you have some stubborn bubbles, I will show you at the end of this video how to deal with them. Now, the piece that I am showing you here is for the metal notch. I personally like to keep it as is, but it's totally up to you. Let's continue with the left side piece. Align it the best you can under the metal notch and slowly apply it downward. Make sure you rub it with your fingers and let all the air out. When you get to the thin strips that go around the ear cup, just remember to align them to the inner circle that I am showing now. The skin is stretchable, so it is easy to align it as you wish. Now let's finish off the left side. There are two pieces in here. One goes over the B logo and one goes around it. I personally like to keep the B logo exposed, so I'm only using the exterior piece, but again, it's totally up to you. Just a quick side note, the air bubble that you see here is because these headphones have a crack in them. Unfortunately, if your headphones have a crack in them, an air bubble is inevitable. Now back to the last piece, simply align it on one side and then when you leave it, it will naturally fall in place and all you need to do is take out the air bubble. And you are done with the left side. Now let's move on to the right side. Now grab the first piece and install it exactly as you did on the left side. The only difference here is that on the right side, there is a special cutout that goes around the on and off button. Besides that, it's going to be the same exact process. Now move on to the last piece and in the next step, I will show you how to take out difficult air bubbles. Now this next step is not a must. You can completely install this skin without any bubbles and not go through this step. However, sometimes we don't have perfect precision while applying the skin, so this will come in handy if you missed a couple of spots. Simply grab a blow dryer and set it on heat. Heat up the surface that you are trying to fix for about 5 to 10 seconds and then rub the air bubble out. And that is it. You have successfully applied your Beats Sutdio skin on your Beats Sutdio headphones. I hope that this video was helpful, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us or comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel as we release more how-to videos every month.